Hello, everyone, and thank you to the Graebert team for asking me to speak about my feature article, Aries 2027 Deep Dive. My name is Anthony Frausto-Robledo, founder and editor of Architosh and a practicing architect. I want to briefly share my thoughts on AI and automation in CAD and BIM. So, as both the editor of Architosh and a full-time practicing architect, I know firsthand of the common core difficulties we face in the AEC industry. And like you, I have lived with these pain points in the industry for decades. So what are these pain points I'm talking about? And how does Aries try to solve them using AI and automation? Okay, so here's a brief list of common core challenges in our industry. All right. Number one, learning and mastering software. This challenge is still pervasive. Two, finding ways to speed up our workflows. Our deadlines don't get any shorter, right? Three, finding or creating complex assets to use or reuse in our workflows. And finally, four, generally just getting the most out of our tools. I appreciate how Graebert continues to address these core challenges in the CAD and BIM industries. For instance, on the first challenge, Aries A3 AI agent does a superb job of instructing the Aries user about every aspect of using the software. We reviewed these features in prior versions, and they just keep getting better and better. Part of it is that AI is getting better, and the other half is that Graebert is getting better at exploiting AI's progress. The net result is that learning Aries is faster than ever, and A3 can help you upskill. I especially like that the AI can highlight the menu and tools needed in various commands. All you need to do is follow along. Okay, so on the challenge of speeding up workflows, Aries this year introduced Generative AI Workflows. These vary in their usefulness and impact, but things stood out in our review, including producing an entire set of custom layers for a project's particular needs in a brand new file. That was really awesome. And we found that A3's AI capabilities include the ability to create objects and ingest multi-sentence instructions to produce a complex series of drawn elements, all drawn correctly, by the way. And this ability was just the tip of the iceberg of where AI technologies can take the CAD industry forward. Graebert is being modest a bit about A3's role in editing objects because, frankly, this technology is nascent and emerging. But we believe rapid acceleration over the next years will happen, and we also believe that the Graebert team has a masterful hold in the evolution of these AI technologies. Finally, we must make note of the new AI generation block creation features. Speaking of icebergs, describing something known and rather complex to draw, like a space shuttle or a Land Rover, it's a rather good use of the AI block generation features in Aries. The results give you something quite good when it comes to representational accuracy, but the real boost is the time savings. Lastly, Aries leads the industry in harnessing the cloud to automate drawing functions, such as file format conversions, BIM to DWG, DWG drawing compare, and the processing of print sheet sets. All these automations can happen on a schedule, repeating and with batch processing, taking your local machines out of the equation and letting you to do work in the middle of the night up in the cloud. How many firms out there are doing anything like that, letting their CAD tools work alone, producing useful, needed work where you are fast asleep? These kinds of workflows are standard fare in Aries today, and they free up firm staff to use their time on higher level activities that enhance overall value generation. As we said in our feature review, the largest story in this release is that AI technologies in Aries have gone far beyond just a help assistant. They have become an active participant in the CAD workflow. Discover how AI and automation are transforming design workflows and enabling new efficiencies. So with that, I'm happy to hand it back to the Graebert team to show you some of these innovations in a lot more detail. Thank you.